Today on This Week at Tesla. Northern Virginia gets a new Tesla service center in Loudoun County. On this special Northern Virginia edition of This Week at Tesla, July 31st, 2020. Tesla owners in Northern Virginia will be happy to know that as of this Monday, August 3rd, we have a new service center located at 22400 Davis Drive in Sterling. This new service center offers a customer lounge with plenty of socially distanced seats, guest Wi-Fi, television, and a counter for coffee and bottled water service, which are all shut down right now due to the current situation. They're instead currently doing touchless service where you arrive and scan a QR code on the door to let them know you are there. It sits on the renovated 26,000 square foot facility where the old Rebounders Trampoline Park location used to be. I was told that they will be offering a mix of service loaners, subject to availability of course, as well as issuing Uber credits. Additionally, they have 6 level 2 wall connectors on steel pedestals in the front lot, intended for charging their loaner fleet or customer pickups. But that if there are open charging spaces at night, the wall connectors will be left on and available to level 2 charge your Tesla after hours. Speaking of after hours, they also have a secured night drop box at the front of the entrance. Many people for years have had to go to Tysons, Rockville, Maryland, or even Richmond 2 hours away. What are your thoughts about this new location? Leave them in the comments section below. If you thought this video was helpful, throw it a like and share it. Also, if you want YouTube to notify you when we post up new videos, consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell notification. That's it for this special Northern Virginia edition of This Week at Tesla. Thanks for watching.